Alright, this is going to be video number 7. Now we're going to create this little adapter piece up top here and also this back circle piece. If you take a look at my fusion drawing, this piece here is sliding into here. So we want to make sure that that notch is at least this distance going in. We want to make sure that the edges line up right here, and it's going to be the same width that we see right here. So back on AutoCAD, and take a look at this drawing here. You can see that, and I didn't add this dimension on here, but I can add this dimension now, and that this is just sliding in right to here so that this back edge matches up. This distance right here, if I measure from here to here, is roughly 15, looks like. Let's just measure that again to make sure that's correct there. And then go to my measure tool too to see this distance. Yep, 15. And that's the same distance here that you see is there, 15. You want this this inside distance to be the same as this distance here. So coming on over here, and I might make this a little bit different than what you saw in that drawing there. I'm going to draw out some hidden lines. I'm actually going to move this whole drawing over a little bit because I need a little bit more space. So let's get up right up to the edge there. There we go. Okay, so hidden lines. I'm going to draw some lines out. I want to represent. Definitely want to get the center point here. I need to turn on my midpoint. I'm going to draw this pretty far out too. And then let's do a line from there. Let's do a line from here. Let's do a line from here. And let's do a line from these edges too, coming out. So I can draw everything out there. Okay, so now let's take a look at what we got here, where I want to start. I'm probably going to start with drawing this shape out right here. So the length of this here, I believe I made the same as this area here. So it's 58, a length, and a height of 19. So back over here. So I'm simply going to draw a line. I'm going to do it on my regular line here. I know. Do it right here, coming across. I can trim this out in a second. So TR for trim. Boom. Boom. L for line. And I'm going to draw this to 58. And same thing over here. 58. Like that, going across. Okay, then I'll take a look at over here what we got. So I just drew this out here. Now I want to offset this line by 15. And then I'm going to make this distance here on this one. I think I have a length of 10. Yes, a length of 10 there. So I'm going to offset this by 15, and then I'm going to draw this little notch out right there. So I'm going to offset this by 15, like so, and then I'm going to draw this notch out. I know that length is 10, so boom, 10, 0, enter. Same thing here, 10, 0, enter. And then we take a look back at our drawing here. Just drew this out. Now I'm going to come out to this outside. I'm going to extend this line up here. Like so. So I'll extend this line, then I can trim it out in a second. You can also type in EXT for, no, I don't extrude it, extend. There we go. Trim this top line here. And then I'm going to draw a line coming out to here, a little angle. I can trim that other line out in a second. TR for trim. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Then I'm going to draw this line out too. Yeah, I'm just going to draw it nice and long for now. Get rid of that in a second. I'm going to trim this out. Don't need that. Don't need this here. And then it needs the notch in, so I want the same type of notches here that you see on this drawing. So I'm going to come in 5 and out 5 and up 5. So I want to make sure that this, I'm actually going to offset from this back line. I'm going to offset it in 5. That'll make it easier. So I'm going to draw a big line here on the back, and we'll extend this up, and then I'm going to offset this in 5. Like so. Whoop. Went the wrong way. Oh, really wants to lock on the inside there. There we go. All right, trim some of the stuff out here that I don't want. Don't need that. And then if we look at our drawing here, I want to leave the inside together and the outside can go away. So TR for trim. Get rid of this. Oh, I forgot one piece, didn't I? I gotta offset that by 5 more. Okay, sorry everyone. Offset by 5 more. Going out, going out. I'm gonna extend these lines. I was like, I think I forgot something there. I'm gonna bring this line actually out to here. Boom. Bring this line out to here. Boom. Like so. I think I can get rid of this line for right now. Delete that. Delete that. Then let's just draw this out from that corner. 5 up, 5 like that. Should be good. And then same thing here. 5 up, 5 down like this. And then trim this out. Let's just double check this. I think this is correct. Except that I might need to put those on the inside. Oop, yep, did it wrong. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line coming out here. 5, 5, and then 5 right there. And I want to get rid of this outside, this piece here. Boom, boom, and boom. Something like that. L for line, sorry. And 5. And there's 1,000 ways you can do this too. This does not need to be done the way I am going about it right here. Don't want that, don't want that. And there we go. Cool, that looks about right, and that should slide right into that notch right there. And then the last video is going to go over how to create this little circle here, and that's pretty simple with your hidden lines. All right, everyone, that's the end of the video right now.